Coming up in this video, we're going to be talking about how to be confident on camera. Let's go. All right, everyone, my name is Jarrett-Jamal Davis from Jarrett-JamalDavis.com, and on this channel, I create videos on a weekly basis with YouTube tips, personal finance, and different ways to help you make money online so you can create the lifestyle that you've always dreamed of. Now, if this is your first time watching one of my videos, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of my new videos. Now, before we get into today's topic, I want you to go ahead and comment down below what's the biggest thing that holds you back from getting on camera. So make sure you put that in the comment section below, because I would love to see how some of these tips are actually going to help you become more confident on camera. So let's go ahead and get into that first tip, which is actually to always prepare before shooting. Now, what do I mean by that? When I say always prepare before shooting, you want to look at different things like your wardrobe. Is there a certain outfit that you feel more confident in, or something that just makes you happy when you wear that outfit? I would say for myself, listen, I have on this t-shirt, I feel confident. Blue is my favorite color. This is a very comfortable shirt, and that just helps me be more confident on camera. So definitely find something in your wardrobe that you feel confident in, that you feel comfortable in, because that just goes a long way with being confident on camera. Also, hype up your mood a little bit, because you know they always say on TV that the camera adds 10 more pounds. Well, I'll also say another thing that the camera does is it actually brings your mood and your inflection down a little bit. So you do want to hypen up your mood a little bit. You want to be a little more chippery on camera, because you'll always see if you're kind of low vibe or you have low vibrations on the camera. So definitely hyping up your mood, and that'll add to the confidence that you actually bring when you're on camera. Now, the next thing you want to look at is watching other videos from other YouTubers. Listen, this is one of those awesome tips I would say you need to do, because you can watch these videos, you can take notes and things of that nature, and you can also see what are they doing that's helping them be more confident on camera. What are the different things that they are going to in these videos? How are they talking? How are they sitting? You know, are they standing up? Looking at those different things will show you how you can add those to your tool belt so you can be more confident on camera. Now, the next thing I want to say is be yourself and talk to the camera like someone is actually there. I know that may be a hard thing to do, but as you have different conversations with different people, when you're looking at that camera, talk to that camera as if it was someone else in that room. Because what you have to understand is when your subscribers or people are just watching your videos, they're sitting on the other side of that lens looking at the screen. And when you're talking, you want to make sure that you talk just like you're talking to someone else, because it helps them get a better vibe from you. It helps them see what type of person you are. And again, I know we're talking about the confidence that you need to have on the camera, but this will also help your viewers actually be more confident with watching your videos. So definitely be yourself and make sure you talk to that camera like you're talking to someone else. Now, the next tip on that list is to outline your videos. Listen, I outline all of my videos. I don't script my videos. And the reason why this is a great tip to be more confident on camera is because when you outline your videos, you'll actually know what you want to talk about next. And it helps you so you don't go off on tangents talking about a whole bunch of different other things that don't even have anything to do with your video. But I would say don't script your videos, because you don't want to be a robot. You see, when you outline those videos, again, it can just keep you on track. You'll be able to look at those topics, look at what you want to say next, and it'll keep you on track. But when you start scripting those videos and you have everything scripted out, you'll read verbatim, word for word, what you actually see on that paper. And it just makes you sound like a robot. Now, some people script their videos, some people outline their videos, but I want you to try both. Try outlining and try scripting and see which one works best for you and go with that strategy. Now, the next tip on the list is to always focus on the lens. Listen, don't get me wrong. There are so many different things that can throw you off and make you look right or make you look left, up, down. It doesn't matter. Something could go flying by you, but always look at the lens. And I'll say many times we have these different cameras, whether it's a point and shoot like the Canon G7X that I'm using, or it's a DSLR camera. And see, with those different types of cameras, you have a screen, whether it's on the top or whether it's on the side. And many times when people are recording their videos, they're actually not looking at the lens, but they're actually looking up at themselves in the screen. I'm going to tell you the best thing to do is look at the lens. I know it's kind of weird, but when you look at the lens, you'll see when the video actually comes out, it looks like you're looking directly at your viewers. And again, this is going to help them be more confident in the videos that they're watching with you because they feel like you're actually talking to them. So again, focus on looking directly at that lens. Now, last but not least, this is one of the best tips. This is something that I always harp on, and that's focusing on progress, not perfection. Listen, YouTube is a long-term game. It's a long-term game. And listen, you don't want to always focus on perfection. It'll hold you back from creating some of the best content that you can put out there. But better yet, focus on the progress. Always focus on making your next video better than your last video. And again, when you're watching other videos on YouTube, take notes and find different tips and strategies that you can use from other YouTube videos to make your videos better. So again, focus on that progress and not being perfect. But other than that, listen guys, which one of these tips did you actually get value from? Tell me which one that you're actually going to be using in the comment section below, because I would love to know which one of these actually helped you out. But other than that, make sure you subscribe to the channel because I'll be putting out videos like this on a weekly basis. And other than that, I'm going to put a link to my Instagram up here. So if you want to follow me over there, link to the Instagram will be right here. But other than that, I hope you take care, take charge, and have an amazing day on purpose. Why? Because you deserve it.